Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Grumpycat token. Now this token just got listed on CoinGecko just today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Grumpycat coin, like I said, just got listed today on CoinGecko, brand new listing. Their Twitter just joined in May 2023, so altogether this is a very brand new project. I actually was going to do a video on this token last night because I saw someone talking about it on Twitter, saying that this token is going to be big because this is a very famous meme token. Like the meme itself, the Grumpycat, obviously is very popular. There is another Grumpycat token out there, so don't get confused of which one's which. If you look up here on the screen, as always, you will see their Twitter of the token that I'm talking about. And of course, I always say the web page's names and everything like that as well. So at Grumpycat_coin on Twitter is their Twitter. You can find it on there. Their official webpage, grumpycat.fyi. And they just joined in May 2023 on Twitter. They have 2,968 followers so far, 43 tweets. It says, Grumpycat, the most grumpy and unimpressed crypto token out there. So their pinned tweet here says this token was stealth launched. Their Telegram is at Grumpycat_coin. They also have a DEX tools chart on here. We're going to check out that in a second to see how the contract is. I believe I checked it out last night and it is pretty decent, but there was a couple warnings, I believe. We'll go over that in a second. Now, if you want to get this token, it's an Ethereum token. You can go to their webpage and there's a buy now button. There's also a how to buy guide. And looks like it's available on DEX tools and Uniswap. But basically how you get this token is you'd simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Grumpycat token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or their Etherscan or their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll go over that in a second. And it says right now they have 2,634 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply here of, that is 419,725,541,000,000, some change there. They're probably started at a different number, and then this is a deflationary token. Maybe there's like some burning involved. We'll check here in a second, but that's most likely why the token is a weird number. Now, their Telegram has 1,979 members on the Telegram at Grumpycat_coin. You could always join the Telegram or follow the Twitter there to learn more information about this token. Their DEX tools chart is not opening up for some reason. Let me try it in a different browser. We got to make sure that there's no warnings on here for the peoples. Okay, so yeah, let's get rid of that. We'll try it in a different browser there. All right, so their CoinGecko listing here says they're up 16.1% right now. By the way, Grumpy Space Cat is the name of the token, and then Grumpycat, all one word, is the ticker symbol for this token. And besides that, on their webpage, they do have links to all their, Etherscan, Uniswap, DEX tools, Telegram, Twitter, Buy Now. It says Grumpycat, the most unimpressed crypto token out there. So what is Grumpycat? Well, Grumpycat is a meme-inspired crypto token that is perfect for all those who are tired of the hype and unrealistic promises of other tokens. Grumpycat brings a refreshing dose of cynicism and skepticism to the world of crypto. Grumpycat is built on the Ethereum blockchain and uses a deflationary tokenomics model. It's also community-driven, which means that its success depends on the support of the community members. So then it goes over how to buy step by step. Does it say slippage? Doesn't say anything about slippage that I could see. Maybe tokenomics here. It says no taxes. So basically you would most likely have to just leave taxes the way they are. So it looks like it's deflationary because it says here their total supply was 420 trillion, and then according to their Etherscan, I think they said they were lower than that. So looks like it's deflation, or maybe they did some burning already. It says token distribution, 8.31% is for central exchange listings. So you might see this token listed on a central exchange soon. 9.69% goes to liquidity, and it says supply liquidity burned. It says they have contract renounced. I don't see a full audit or anything like that though, so just be aware of that. And again, we're going to check their DEX tools chart here. I believe there's some info on there. Yeah, so I found it now. It does work in a different browser. So the roadmap goes, phase 1 is token launch, listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, 1,000 holders. Make Pepe's life a living nightmare, so that's cool. Phase 2, 10,000 plus holders, central exchange listings, unleash the Grumpycat's wrath on Pepe. And milestone number 3, 100,000 plus holders, tier 1 central exchange listings, and the final blow to annihilate Pepe. So it's got some Grumpycat banners here. I guess this is to promote Grumpycat. You could put this as your banner on your Twitter profile to show your grumpiness. And so they have join the Grumpycats, and then it has the webpage. Yeah, just Pepe season is over, and then Grumpycat. Yeah, so they have the ways of advertising. You can change your profile pictures to all these different Grumpycat avatars here. And then at the bottom it says, don't buy, I don't care. And then it says buy whatever, which is a button to buy the token. Pretty funny. But yeah, let's check out their DEX tools chart here real quick. So on here it says total market cap right now, $8.9 million. Total liquidity, $346,000. 94.8 pooled ETH. It's got a DEX tool score of 95 out of 99, so that's pretty good. You can check out the Go Plus security feature here. There's only a couple warnings on here. One of them is, it says transfers are pausable, and then it says unlimited. It says whether the contract has the function to limit the maximum amount of transactions or the maximum token position for a single address. So those are the two warnings on there. Other than that, pretty good DEX tool score. But yeah, just be aware of those two warnings. You don't want to get scammed somehow or anything like that. So always do your own research thoroughly. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.